The HUABAO Portable Karaoke Machine combines a rolling trolley design with a retractable handle, so it is genuinely easy to move between rooms, parties, and outdoor gatherings. Its multi-speaker layout, anchored by a large subwoofer and multiple tweeters, delivers surprisingly full sound with clear vocals and strong bass for both music and spoken word. 5 different lighting patterns let you match the speaker's visual effects to the mood, turning casual sing-alongs into something that feels closer to a small stage show. A high-capacity rechargeable battery keeps the system running for several hours on a single charge, which makes it well-suited for events where power outlets are not always nearby. Between the modern Bluetooth connection, wired input options, memory card and USB playback, and simple remote and front panel controls, it is very easy to get music playing from almost any source. The 2 included wireless microphones along with separate bass, treble, and echo adjustments make this a fun and flexible setup for duets, family karaoke, and informal public speaking.